Hi, so I have opened moneycontrol.com. So here I came across a company a couple of months ago called Power Finance Corporation. Now, if you see here, the current price is 109 as of today. This is a government company, by the way. It's a lending company of the government. It's a PSU for the power, so basically the energy sector. What intrigued me was really the MC insights, which indicates the overall company strength, which is a strong performer. Then I came across these stats. If you look at the EPS, it's 52.84, which is like growing 9 almost 7% year on year, right? If you look at the or sector PE, it's 3.6, but compared to its PE, it's 2.8. So it's low compared to its sector, right? Also look at the profit to book ratio. It's 0.31. Why? Because the book value per share is 364 and the current price is 109. So currently a lot of devaluation happened in this stock in the last years compared to the book value. Let's look at the advanced chart. So if you look at the trend, you can see a rising trend whenever a dividend is declared, and as soon as the dividend basically matures or realizes, there's a fall. See, so right from here, went up, dividend declared, fell down, then keeps on hovering at a stagnant pace, dividend declared, went down, comes up, dividend declared, comes up, dividend declared, and now probably dividend will be declared in November. So if you see, I just keep a average line here. I can do a moving average also. Moving average, right? So it will show you all the lines. Now see, let's not look at a big horizon. Let's look at this way, right? And hide it. So you can see all the moving averages in the last uh, around 5 months. So they also have marked it here, right? So if you look, what is blue line is basically the last 200 simple moving day average. You can set it according to you, which style do you want. Basically the blue indicates the highest, so which is 200. So in 200 days, what was the average, which is around 300 113. So it's definite that it will reach 113 in the next, to stabilize, because that has been the price across 1 year or across 200 days, I would say. So for 200 days, the average for it is 113. So definitely it will reach these heights, 113 to 115 plus. If you see the current RSI, it's around good, because I consider 40 to 60 to be a good range, right? So here, definitely worth a buy, because I see that it goes up to 80, 90, and then falls down right to 20. And that's when dividend is also in the build up, right? So dividend might be declared in November. So you have the build up, goes up to 80 and then falls down. So yeah, pure risky score is 5. Looks okay. Operating profit 9%, net profit 12%, and so on. Coming down, forum is always confusing. Yeah, they give ridiculous targets, right? So this was way back in 18, but if you see the current ones, they say 2020, it will go until that, which is not unlikely, because if you see the book value, it's 360. So definitely asking for a 2020 or 2021 price is reasonable, I would say. Revenue looks okay, growing trend. Net profit also pretty nice in terms of 2022. EPS very well. ROE above 15, which is great. Debt to equity, debt is there on the company, but again, if you compare it to the last years, definitely it has reduced. Plus, what is debt to a government, right? It's nothing. Yeah. Promoter holds 55%. foreign investor is there, DI. So it's a balanced out shareholding pattern, I would say. None of the shares are pledged, so that's a good thing. Who are the peers? Yeah, SBI card. I mean, from the power sector, I think it's clear leader, right? Because SBI is a power lender, right? But from a price perspective, if you see, second market leader is, so basically these three are obviously ruling it out. And then there was also news of Power Finance merging with REC and so on. So things will pan out. Let's see how it goes. But I would say from a from a holding perspective, definitely the PB ratio here looks very, very, very charming. PE ratio and PB ratio both. Same for REC. Yeah, REC also looks to be a very good fight in terms of where it is. It's also a strong performer again, but again EPS has not been very good, right? EPS has dropped. So I would say, yeah, look for a power sector. Let's not go into reading REC because let's stick to one share at a time. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. What do you feel? What do you feel about Power Finance? What do you feel about REC? Thanks.